up, you guys? Welcome back to Single Black Vegan. That I was going to be making my very first vegan Thanksgiving dinner, and I am here with an update to let you know how that went. It didn't go so well. I told you I was gonna have someone come over and try it out. Okay, so I did have a vegan and a pescatarian come and try it out. Now, they swear up and down, oh, it's good, I like it. They lying. I know what good food tastes like and what bad food tastes like. I've been eating my entire life. That was some bad food. I don't know what they talking about.
Hold on, so let me tell you something. I'm at the Single Black Vegan's house, and baby, she got these green, the dressing. My plate clean, look, I ain't playing around. Mac and cheese on bomb. So listen, April, you threw down, girl. Thank you so much for inviting us. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
So this is my first Thanksgiving meal, all vegan Thanksgiving meal at the Single Black Vegan's home. And when I tell you, so good.
I appreciate them though. And then one of them gonna text you the next day.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Let me take these leftovers. Oh, they so good.
Girl, I'm just being nice. It's cool. I'm not tripping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with other vegans or people who may have also had some Thanksgiving flubs like myself. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.